Good afternoon. My name is Jonathan Kelly. I'm here today to present my PowerPoint presentation for continuous improvement. The project title is Shipment Delays. Again, my name is Jonathan Kelly. I'm a junior here at Tarleton State University. I'm a mechanical engineering student. Starting out, we have our outline, which is going over the introduction, background, trend chart, pie chart, comparative chart, cause and effect analysis, and proposed action. So for our introduction, this is basically stating that we are going to be going over the delays of a shipment company for 2010. We'll be looking at the on-time/late rates for the given months of the given year, as well as finding the most common failure for the worst performance months. So for our background here, we have product A through E and some of the approximate values from the data. We have the percent from on-time shipments to overall shipments for each product. Here we have the trend charts for each product. You can see all the highs and lows that the products had throughout the year. And with this, we can determine what our lowest month was so that we can take a look at it further and determine what the biggest failure that caused the delay was. Here we have our pie charts. This breaks down each product for the month that it had the worst on-time rate. So you can see here we have an example for product C. It had the overall lowest percentage for on-time to actual products for the month of May. It has a 28% overall on-time completion rate, which is the lowest out of any of the other projects over any of the years. Going forward, we have the parallel chart. So the parallel chart shows what's the biggest problem during that month, how many delays they had, and what was the most common delay or the most common failure. For product A, the most common failure for the given month, which was August, was broken tools. That was the biggest delay for them. For product B, it was failed inspections, and this is also going to be the case for product C. Failed inspections is a big part of why things get delayed as far as shipments goes. Another one would be missing parts. Big warehouses shipping, parts go missing all the time. So this is one of the biggest problems. For product E, it also had failed inspection as the same amount for the reason it has delays, but I felt like missing parts was what needed to be highlighted there. So we go into cause and effect analysis for the given. We had three main reasons for delays, which were broken tools, missing parts, and failed inspections. And I feel like these are the three biggest reasons why a lot of shipments are late. For broken tools, kind of hard to get past that. Missing parts, you can't ship something without the parts. And as far as inspections goes, you can't ship anything if it doesn't pass inspection because it's unsafe to be shipped. Some of the common reasons why you could have broken tools is basically just mishandling of equipment. Untrained workers, they don't understand how to use the equipment, but they're using it anyways, or tools are not being taken care of. A lot of times in the workplace, tools get used and thrown around and they're not taken care of, which can lead to catastrophic failure in the tool. For missing parts, unkept inventory is a big thing, as well as a messy work area and mislabeled boxes or parts. Parts can get thrown into things and people don't know where they go. They get moved around. Messy work areas, things get, when things get messy, parts just get thrown everywhere and then you don't know where they are. Again, this is going to unkept inventory. Clean your spaces, you won't have missing parts as much, and if you stay on top of your inventory, you won't be missing parts as much. For failed inspection, this could have a lot of different things. The main things I had were damaged parts and system errors. System errors could include things like not getting labels or putting something into the system wrong, labeling something wrong. You could have poor shipment containers as far as damaged parts go, and poor shipping equipment. You can't ship something if it won't stay together, so that could fail your inspection pretty easily. So for proposed action, I would say there are many areas that could cause things to be late, a lot of delays. Things I would implement for the company are checkpoints. Checkpoints can be used or implemented during the shipping process to evaluate shipments as they're going through. That way you don't have, you start something and then it goes out to ship and there's parts missing or something. If you checkpoint it along the way, you can make sure all the parts are there, nothing's damaged, it's going to pass inspection before it gets there, and then it can go out. Regular inspection for the workplace to maintain cleanliness. This again goes back to a messy work area where you have parts missing because they're just thrown around. And also regular inventory inspections. This keeps, one, the warehouse clean, but two, it makes sure that you're on top of all your parts and all your tools and equipment so that you never miss anything. It's a lot easier to maintain all your inventory that way. And these three things would really help as far as keeping things on time and maintaining the three major delays that the products are having. Again, my name is Jonathan Kelly. This concludes my PowerPoint presentation.